Hello and welcome. I'm Eric Miscoll with EMS Now. Show floor IPC APEX 2025 in the Creative Electron booth. So I thought we better invite the guy from Creative Electron, right?
You better.
You can tell he's got the shirt. It's got all going here. Dr. Bill Cardoso with Creative Electron.
So good to see you. Yeah.
It's been a while.
I know.
You made a good presence at the show this year.
You know, it's every year is a little better, right?
Yeah.
So this year, I think we have a little of a more significant bump than we've had over the past years. We're bringing a whole new technology that's true and tried with our 3D AXI inline system. It's super cool. New X-ray parts counters, new manual X-ray inspection machines, offline machines. So you're going to see some big changes starting 2025 for us. Huge changes.
Yeah. And that goes to the announcement, right?
Yeah, we had a big announcement.
You had a big announcement. Drum roll, please. It's the joint venture with Unicomp out of China, right?
Yeah, exactly. So China, Malaysia, and then we have now locations in Hungary, India. So this joint venture between Creative Electron and Unicomp really made us a global company, right? A global company with a combined 1,200 people and an incredible amount of bandwidth and capacity, right, that we can use to serve our customers where they are, when they need us, and how they need us, right? That's the whole idea. We both, I know you're much younger than I am, but we both grew up in a world where free trade was what we all wanted, right? At least that's our politicians. Everyone talk about free trade and free commerce of goods between, friend countries. And that world is slowly going away. And countries are starting to raise walls, tariff walls. So it became even more critical for us to be this global company so that we can, augment and improve and fortify our U.S. manufacturing. Our machines are made in U.S. and we're going to keep that proudly, right? So you have made in U.S. so we can take care of North American and South American customers from our manufacturing factory here in San Marcos, California. And then with that, keep growing, right? We have a very capable software team here. We have the best post-sale service in the industry, which we have a 3-year warranty, right? No one else does that. So we're putting all these things together, better, great technology, great value, and best service. Yeah. And it's like, what would you not buy?
Yeah. So you said a lot there. Let's unpack a couple of those elements.
I do that sometimes.
That's all right. Unicomp, though, it is also X-ray, right? But it is a different type of X-ray, right? So more what I would say volume, is that right?
That's what's beautiful about this partnership is that they've developed an incredible set of technology toolboxes for the Asian market. And Asia is about high volume, low mix, right? So they developed all those toolboxes. And we, on the other hand, we've been perfecting the low volume, high mix, right? Exactly. So we come through all these different philosophies of design X-ray machine. And what we realize is they have an incredible piece of hardware to deal with the high volume. We have an incredible piece of software to deal with the high mix, right? So now the beauty of this relationship is to be able to blend those two things, bring the manufacturing to the US, make machines here with that incredible hardware platform and blend with our software that's very easy to use, and because that's what we do, right? That's our DNA, right? So the ability to blend those two things is what really makes this a very successful partnership.
And the joint venture then allows you to sell their equipment. There's some right there, right? In this market, and they in turn will sell yours and their
market. It's all our equipment now. So the machines you see here, they're being made in US as well. Okay. So these American machines.
Okay. Exactly. You mean even the Unicomp ones?
Unicomp, yeah. They're Creative Electron machines. They're all branded Creative Electron, and they're made in US.
Okay.
Isn't that awesome?
That is cool.
That's what I said. The global company. We're gonna make things where and when and how we need them made.
Okay.
That's what's beautiful.
Yeah, because that is different. I mean, the Made in America has been one of your distinctive pride points,
and
right?
I'm not giving that away. We're Made in USA company.
That's good to see. So does that mean Creative Electron machines in Asia will be made here still? Or?
Absolutely.
Okay,
They're
so
all
they'll
made
still
in
be
US.
made. Okay,
Yes,
so it'll all be
all
done.
made in US.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's good.
Yeah.
The other issue was R&D. So you talked about how big the people are in that. You have different
Yeah.
you had two companies, different R&D teams. Is there a merging of that? Some synergies there?
It's a good question, right? And when you get to this volume of people and smart technologies, it's always a challenge to figure out how we're going to blend. So we have teams from there living here. We have some of our guys going there, and then over time blending these technologies to do exactly the tech transfer that is focused on answering the questions our customers have. Right? It's a very we're a customer focused company.
Yeah.
In a customer focused strategy. That means we're solving the customer's problems, right?
Right.
And that's what's going to drive our research and development.
Okay. Yeah. No, I love the fact, as you stressed repeatedly now, the global, right? You're now a global entity. The Creative Electron brand is going to be as strong as
Exactly.
ever, right?
Exactly. Yeah. And that's the idea. It's a strong, and what makes it strong is made in USA.
Okay.
That's who we are. Right?
That's
So that's the brand we want to propagate here, Asia, Europe, and India.
Yeah. That's good to hear. Has your role or will your role change at all in this?
My role is, I love technology. That's my weakness, and I don't know if I'll be able to spend as much time on the floor tweaking with machines. With our manufacturing guys, are going to appreciate a lot. They'll love that. Kick me out. But as I said, as a global company, my role is going to be more in the growing. We have established business units, and each business unit is going to be laser focused on being obsessed about a specific problem. So we have a business unit for parts counters and offline machines. We have business units just for AXI, and with that, we're going to build this, integrate this organization around each one of these products. So again, to obsess about our customer success.
Yeah.
And each one of them, my job is going to be to manage that and keep growing our company to, a multi-billion-dollar company.
Oh, that's
where we want to be.
Good for you. Listen, I'm super excited. I loved when,
Me too.
when we
I really am.
Well, you should.
It's going to be awesome.
Yeah. I'm just in the press. I saw their joint, and I knew you, and I said, "This is a good thing." So, and I think it's good for the industry as well. Quite frankly.
I think so too. I think we've from an inspection perspective, we've been very siloed for many years. We've been, some people doing low mix, some people doing high mix, and this is the first drive to blend those two DNA philosophies to really make it I think a very impressive line of products.
Yeah. So on top of everything else, you're a trendsetter now too, right?
Trendsetters.
Yeah.
That's how we do it.
That's how you do it. Bill, it's a pleasure.
Always.
I wish you success.
Thank you so much. You too.
Thank you.